Now that you have chosen what you're going to create your interactive poster with, um, and you've set it all up, now you can start organizing your information onto the page. And you can do this a lot of different ways. So I've got my split screen going so that I can see my information and so I can create my board. I'm actually going to use Padlet, although I could have chosen any of them. And I'm going to start with Stephen Chu. And that's not what I wanted to do. I want to get a video. Here we go. I wanted to get a picture. So this is him while he is energy secretary. Okay, so this is his jobs. So I think that's what I'm going to do first is get some of his information as his job. So I'm going to create another and this is where I'm going to actually use some complete sentences. So Stephen was I'm going to go back here. I'm going to do secretary, and I'm going to put the years. Okay, and then I'm going to so I'm looking for purple. Teacher, so he taught physics at Stanford University. Also a researcher at Berkeley. I'm going to actually move this because he was here first. And I'm going to put here other, or I'm going to put here first jobs. He's the head of quantum electronics research at AT&T Bell. At AT&T. This is where I'm actually going to make sure. So like here, you can see I didn't care about my spelling too much, but this is where I'm going to actually make sure my spelling is a little bit more on top of things. I'm just organizing this so that this, there we go. And now I'm looking, and it looks like I got all of his yep, so I got researcher. Let's see, and then I think I'm going to actually move this in the middle because I have to put my education that I learned about his education. So I'm going to add a sticky here. Stephen Where is his education? Education is green. Oh, Stephen studied physics and mathematics in school. And this is where I think I'm going to, and then he, let's see, degrees. Madness. He graduated from the University of Rochester. And this is where I have his degrees. In the BS in physics, advanced in mathematics, and later earned a doctorate in physics. I think in this one, I'm going to add a picture of University of Rochester, since that's where he graduated. I'm just going to move that one below. And then I've got his accomplishments. So I'm going to just move my screen over a little bit, and I'm going to add on here. Let's see, in 1997, Stephen won the Nobel Prize for Physics. He won this with other physicists. Perfect. Now I'm going to find an image of the Nobel Prize. And I'm going to move this here. Let's see, another accomplishment that I have is that he helped clean the oil spill. So you see what I'm doing, right? I'm organizing the information. So I'm going to continue doing that. Have fun adding your information in. Happy creating.